Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies and DIY. When you are too busy and want to eat something yummy and decadent for breakfast, make this. All it takes is few minutes and you'll have delicious breakfast ready. Take 2 tablespoon custard powder, 2 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix everything nicely. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix until there are no lumps. Transfer the custard mixture in a wide bowl. Heat 1 teaspoon butter. Dip the bread slice in custard mixture and place it carefully on the pan. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes on each side or until it turns nice and golden. Remove from the pan carefully. Make all the eggless French toast similarly. Being soaked in custard and milk mixture, the bread turns soft, making it a little tricky to handle, but the end result is totally worth it. Drizzle some honey. You can even top it with your favorite fruits or berries or a scoop of ice cream. It's sweet, yummy, a little buttery. The flavor of cinnamon tastes so good. Do try it out and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the recipe, quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.